Today we are going to continue the December 2005 UGC NET JRF English question paper. So this is paper 2 and from the 26th question we are going to see, and the explanations of these questions also we are going to see. Let's start. So they have asked the correct sequence. So Thyrsis, Adonais, Lycidas, In Memory of W.B. Yeats. So these four works, let us see. Lycidas was written by John Milton in 1637. Let us memorize 1637 Lycidas. Adonais was written by P.B. Shelley, that is 1821. And then Thyrsis 1866, that is written by Matthew Arnold. And In Memory of W.B. Yeats was written by W.H. Auden in the year 1940. So Lycidas 1637 and Adonais by P.B. Shelley, it was written in 1821, and Thyrsis was written in 1866, and In Memory of W.B. Yeats 1940. The next question, 27. Sign, structure and play. Signs taken for wonder, the death of the author, two uses of language. Let's see the correct sequence. Two uses of language, principles of literary criticism. It was written in the year 1924 by I.A. Richards. Sign, structure and play. It was written by Jacques Derrida in 1966. The death of the author by Roland Barthes, written in 1967. And Signs Taken for Wonder was written in 1985, written by Homi K. Bhabha. Clear? And the next one is 28th question. Let's see the correct sequence. Actually, this is the sequence of the Wasteland written by T.S. Eliot. Which one is the first one? The Burial of the Dead is the first one, and The Game of the Chess is the second one, and The Fire Sermon is the third one, and Death by Water is the fourth one. I am telling by heartedly. So let's see. Wasteland was written in 1922. Okay, and the first section is The Burial of the Dead. Second section, A Game of Chess. Third section, Fire Sermon. Fourth section, Death by Water. Fifth section, What the Thunder Said. The next one, 29th. 29th question is Midnight's Children, Nectar in a Sieve. Midnight's Children was written by Salman Rushdie. Nectar in a Sieve, let's see. Kantapura was written by Raja Rao. Calcutta Chromosome was written by, I think so, Amitav Ghosh. Yes, Amitav Ghosh. Okay. Kantapura was written in 1938. Kantapura was written in 1938. Nectar in a Sieve was written by Kamala Markandeya. It was written in 1954. And Midnight Children was written in 1981. Calcutta Chromosome in 1995. It was written by Amitav Ghosh. Next, the English novel. Form and function, the craft of fiction, aspects of the novel, the sense of an ending. Let's see the correct sequence. The English novel Form and Function, 1953, was written in 1953. Dorothy Bendon Van Gent. The craft of fiction is written in 1921 by Percy Lubbock. Aspects of the novel, 1927. It was written by A.M. Forster. The Sense of an Ending is by Julian Barnes, written in 2011. Now let's select the matching pairs in question numbers from 31 to 40. So we have to select the matching pairs. Sorab and Restam, Arnold, The Princess, Browning, Huck, Selwyn, Moberly, Hopkins, The Excursion, Shelley. correct matches are Sohrab and Rustam, written in 1853 by Arnold. The Princess was written in 1847 by Tennyson. Huck Selwyn Moberly was written by Ezra Pound. The Excursion was written by Wordsworth. So the correct option is Sohrab and Rustam, option A only. 32. Middlemarch. Which one could be the correct one? The correct one could be Middlemarch. No, the correct one could be Pamela. The answer is C. Pamela was written in 1740, Samuel Richardson. It was written by Samuel Richardson, epistolary in form of letters. The other works are Middlemarch was written by George Eliot. Woman in Love was written in 1920. Pamela was written in 1740 by Samuel Richardson. Woman in Love was written by D.H. Lawrence, and Pride and Prejudice was written by Jane Austen. Next one is 33rd question. Dickens. Dickens, Faulkner, Joyce, Lawrence. So who is the correct one? So Faulkner, Yoknapatawpha. This is the correct one. Yoknapatawpha County is a fictional county created by the American author William Faulkner. He set 3 of his novels in the county. 34th one. So naturalism, Zola. Which one is the correct one? Option A is the correct one. Zola. Naturalism is a literary movement that emphasizes observation and the scientific method in the fictional portrayal of reality. Emile Zola was the founder of this movement. Symbolism was by Charles Baudelaire. Expressionism was by Edvard Munch. Magic realism was by Alejo Carpentier. 35th question is Audrey Thomas, the Stone Angel. So we have to select the correct one. The correct option is option D. Margaret Atwood, the Blind Assassin. So she is the one who has written the Blind Assassin. The other options are wrong. And the Stone Angel was written by Margaret Lawrence, and the Burning Water was by George Bowkring, and the What the Crows Said was by Robert Crouch. So these are the other works. And so dear guys, we are going to end up this video. Until then, it's bye from UGC Net English Literature. Keep loving literature. We are going to crack the exam in June with JRF. Don't worry, God is with us, and let's research and do extra study. Happy learning. Keep rocking.